Hey everyone, so in this video we'll solve this lead code problem. So actually the question they're given is they're given the number of hours in a list and they're given one target. Okay, so they're checking whether the number whatever target they're given, so whatever the elements which are present inside the list, which is at least greater than greater than that number or not, that we have to check. At least means like so it is they given two, right? It has to be two or three, four. At least it has to be two. That means two, three, four, anything. Okay, above that. So what we have to see, you can see this example. They given the target two, so the output is three. So two is there, three is there, four. Total three elements are there. That's why. So here the target is six. So none of the element is six. That's why the return. I mean the output is zero. So ultimately they want one variable which is nothing but a list. Okay, let's take the variable name as a result that initialize with a zero, and let's take a for loop for uh, each employee. Okay, so that's what they given. Each employee number of hours they spent. Each employee of index we given means that will get the hours. Okay, each employee in hours, that means we'll get to this. Okay, so instead of this what we have to do, so we'll do a range of hours. So okay, then if each underscore employee of no, we have to take hours of each employee. So hours is a list, right? So yeah, hours of each employee which is greater than or equal to target. That is a variable they given. Okay, if this condition satisfies, then what we have to do, so we have to add a result plus one plus equal to one, enter, and then what we have to do, we have to return result. So let's run this. Each underscore range of, okay, got it. We have to give length, so we can't yeah, in this is the way. Okay, so you can learn. So yeah, we have to run, we have to try. So now see, so we're sorted. So that's it, guys. Very simple, actually. So we have to iterate and we have to check. So for what is the element which is greater than target or not. So in the simple sense, that is what we have to do. But they given one scenario like in a company. So each employee work for certain hours and they given some deadline. So every employee has to work like this if the satisfy this condition or not. So how many employees are satisfy this condition or not. So that is the context they given here. So you just need to understand. Okay, what is the logic? You can see here also, you can see the way they're accessing this or not. So you just need to understand the context, you have to apply that logic. So that's it, you can able to solve the question. Okay, so yeah, let me submit this, and yeah, it's done, guys, and it's sorted. Okay, so we'll see the next we'll solve next problems in the next tutorials. Okay, so till then, take care, bye bye, thank you.